Hello, Dr. Nitin here. I'm going to answer a common question I get from many customers. They say, I asked something to Copilot, it gave me an answer, but without any references or links or citations. So, how do I trust it? Where are the references? So, the short answer is AI is not search. If the AI model answers internally, there are no external sources to show. So, if you really want references, you must explicitly ask for them in the prompt. Or better still, if you always want references, put it in custom instructions. We have a detailed video on custom instructions. Second, if you need a detailed, professionally created, well researched, source based report, then do not use Copilot chat, use the researcher agent. If you don't have the paid version, then you will not be able to use researcher. In that case, you can use this prompt, which forces regular chat to behave somewhat like a researcher. It's not a substitute to researcher, but it's better than just putting a prompt in chat. You can copy the prompt from the description. So that is the short answer. Now let's understand details. First, you need to understand how AI models are created and how they work. All AI models are trained on large amounts of data. During the training, all the information is converted into many billions of numbers. Once the training is complete, those set of numbers is what the AI model is. The AI model does not have search data, it does not retain the links to original data. So when you ask a question like what is mathematics or benefits of delegation, model can generate the answer from internal set of numbers because it has learnt it. It'll give you the answer, and because the answer was generated internally, there are no links. Copilot uses ChatGPT only if you have the free version, and it uses ChatGPT or Claude. You get to choose if you have the paid version. Training of an AI model takes a very long time, many months. By the time the model is ready, many months have passed. And what happened in the world during those months is not understood or known by the model. That's why when a model is ready, its understanding of the world is few months behind. That's called a knowledge cutoff date. Here is a list of current common models and their knowledge cutoff date. If you directly go to the model and ask what happened yesterday or which movie was released this Friday, anything recent, it's not going to understand it because it simply was not trained on that data. Generally, when you are using Copilot, we are not directly talking to the model. We are talking to Copilot, and then it looks at your prompt and checks, is there something recent you're asking? Then it will do a web search and give you the answer. So if there is web search involved, then you will get references. The next thing to understand is if you do want references, then don't just ask a question, explicitly say, give me with references or citations. So, chat is optimized for fast answers. If you really want well researched, referenced professional report, then you do not use Copilot chat. You go to an agent called Researcher. So, if you have premium or paid version of Copilot, you'll see Researcher on the left side. So it doesn't jump to an answer, it spends more time on the process. First, it gathers information, references, analyzes them, looks for supporting evidence. Only then it assembles the final report. And that's why it takes longer. It knows exactly what came from where. So it'll give you comprehensive, authentic references. So to summarize, AI models typically answer using their own internal training. When that happens, no citations come. If you explicitly ask for references, they may give you references, but they may not have referred to those links to generate your answer. If you want a truly research oriented, source backed report, use Researcher Agent in Copilot or an equivalent feature in whichever AI model you're using. Copilot Chat is optimized for speed, Researcher is optimized for evidence. So if you found this useful, click on the hype button. That makes sure many more people will be shown this video. And of course, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tell me your feedback. That's it for now. Thank you for watching.